Hello everybody. If you've spent even 2 minutes doing astrophotography, you know how important guiding is. It can make or break astrophotography. So today I'll show you one excellent way you can improve your guiding. We'll be using a tool called Guiding Assistant. It is available in PHD2, and the thought behind this tool is that you must optimize your guiding for your particular sky conditions and mount. What works for me in my Bortle 6 sky might not work for you. Also, what works for my HEQ5 Pro might not work for yours. By using Guiding Assistant, we can optimize our guiding particularly for our particular system. Well, here's how to do it.
Once you're out in the field, make sure your PHD2 is open and guiding as usual. As you can see, my guiding is not too bad, but it can be better. So go to Tools and press Guiding Assistant. Pop-up will appear to say, is it okay if it disables guiding output? Just press OK. This window will appear and you want to begin the process by pressing star, and this will disable your usual guiding, but don't worry, it will be temporary. The Guiding Assistant measures the general behavior of your mount and guiding. It computes statistics and collects data from your mount and recommends best practices. By default, Measure Deck Backlash is ticked off, but I turn it on because I want deck settings to be optimized as well. And let it run for about 5 minutes. By the way, if you want even better data, PHD2 recommends letting this go for about 10 minutes. Well, I will stop it at about 300 seconds. PHD2 will begin measuring and performing other tasks, so be patient. Once that's done, it will show you recommendations. As you can see, my polar alignment is out by at least 20 arc-minute, which is pretty bad. So I can improve on this to improve guiding. PHD2 has also noted that my focus is not 100%, so I would make sure guide scope is properly focused. Then there are 2 settings about minimal movement that can be changed within the software, so I would apply them. It tells me that I've got significant backlash. Let's see in the graph how it looks. White is ideal and red is actually what happened. Personally, I'm happy with this amount of backlash because I'm not a perfectionist, and as long as my guiding is under 1.5 arc-second, I am fine. But maybe you have a bigger focal length or you require perfect guiding. You can test your backlash here and adjust it. Once you are done, you can close this window and PHD2 should return to its normal self.
Try this out and see how you go and let me know. Well, if you found this video to be helpful, please subscribe.